Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today, we're back in the shop. We're gonna do something, boost my morale here. Make me want to get back on that damn Corvette. But what I just did was I just put up this bar. Let me show you what I bought. I bought some seriously big self-tappers. Look at that, huge. So I'm putting these up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put up nails so I can hang all my hammers. I got a bunch of hammers I'm tired of leaving on the floor and on the table, because the plan is to get rid of those tables so that I can build my workbench all the way around there. And then, I don't know, maybe relocate this stuff to over there and then all the shelves to over here. Make sense? I thought so. All right, there's nothing special about my hammer collection. It's just, I've got different sized mallets. That's a 4-pound or 5-pound, I can't remember, 3-pound regular hammer, rubber mallet, hatchet, and then ball peen, and heavy ball peen. All my body hammers are in their little body hammer kits. So let's continue. Straight, enough. Let's just leave it at that. It's obviously not level with the building. They're slightly down, I'm slightly up. I was a little bit over the hash mark, but you know what? I don't care. I really don't care at this point. If you couldn't tell already, it's been a stressful day. So, I want to do something that's going to make me feel better, and that's decorating my shop. Actually, I was going to do this first and then weld, so we'll see how well that goes. I know I'm not hearing things. I just heard somebody talking. My wife's inside, but she wouldn't be carrying on a conversation with anybody else. Ah, there's the bit with the battery. All right. Since I have a few of these, let's start with the ball peen down here, maybe. Yeah, right there. Oh, it was you. What you doing? What? Very nice. Wait a minute. The water bottle was empty, right? Yeah. Okay, my bad. Wow. She's still mad at us from the other night. Second, and I screwed it up. There, that'll work. We'll make the next one a little farther apart, which will be the next ball peen. And we'll put it right there and right there. Yeah, how about that? 2 holes or 2 indentions. I just have to be able to see where I did them. Ouch. Careful. But there is my hammer rack. Now over here we have a bookshelf. It doesn't look like one. It was stored in the attic for the last 2 years, so the heat got to it and delaminated the cheap vinyl covering it has on it. We were gonna put this in my daughter's room and decided it looked like crap, so it comes to the shop instead. And I think I'm gonna put it over there by the door next to the fan. All right, this is the top. No, this is the middle. That's the top, okay. So this is the bottom. Let's see if we can do this right. This is the bottom. I found part of the problem. This got unscrewed. I sort of broke it when I brought it out of the attic. Don't blame me. It happens, especially when you work by yourself. Hey, I made it. All right. You know, I don't care if this stuff's coming off of it. It's for the shop. Who cares? Just so long as it can hold stuff and make the shop a little more organized. That's all that matters, right? Make do with what you got. That's how you save your money. You don't have to go out and buy shit every time you break something, you know? Try and fix it. These are the shelves. I already had the pegs in them. Oh, this thing definitely warped while it was in there. Nice tight fit though. Middle shelf, and then this one. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, I tore the paper off. That was the finished side, like it matters. Okay, now that I can change to any position I want. I have no idea what I'm even gonna put in here. And the only reason I'm putting it over there is because it's really the only free wall I have right now. I have a paint cabinet. Not cabinet, it used to be a bookshelf that was like that deep. And I turned it sideways and made shelves. And that's what has all my paint in the other garage. My spray cans. So I was gonna put it over here because that's the paint department, if you couldn't tell. All right, let's figure out where we're going. All right, I think I am gonna move it by the door. Hold your ears. This might be loud. Whoops. All right, it fits. Probably crowds the door more than I want it to. And I don't need this right now. I'd like to figure out another place to put that. But what that does is allows me to get some of the stuff I want to keep away from the dogs up off the floor. Like that. That's acid. So there you have it. Just a quick throw crap up there. Emptied out 2 more boxes from underneath my tables over there, so we're slowly digging into that corner to make it look a little better. So that's that. Can't remember if I showed you this yet. This is a little motor I won on another online auction. If I've already shown you, then just close your ears. The cam belt is broken, or else these would move and you'd see the sparks or spark plugs flash as they hit. Well, I thought it was pretty cool, especially for the price I got it for. Okay, that's going to end this video. Just a little quick one this week, showing a couple little additions I did. And yes, I've had a haircut since the last time you saw me. Next time I do a video like this, we're going to be bringing over the sandblasting cabinet, hopefully the compressor, and a couple other little odds and ends. And hopefully getting settled in here completely before I have to do all the installation. Out of order, I know, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So anyway, appreciate you watching. Come back anytime. My videos are always there. You can watch me anytime you want. This would be Whatever Garage, out.